I've got the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your watch. Now, this is very simple. First, make sure Bluetooth is on. So on your watch, just go to Settings. On the main settings page, go to Connections, and under Connections, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, with Bluetooth on, you can now scan for devices, but before you scan, make sure your Bluetooth headphones are in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, different types of headphones from different brands have different ways of putting them in Bluetooth pairing. For this JBL Bluetooth headphones, all you have to do is long press on the power button. So just long press on that button and keep holding. And that should put them in Bluetooth pairing mode when that light starts blinking rapidly like that. Okay, now that the headphones are in pairing mode, just tap on scan and your watch is going to scan for Bluetooth headphones, and you can see it's already detected this JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling headphones. Now if I tap on that, it's going to ask me if I want to pair with the JBL's headphones. If I tap on the check mark to confirm, now you'll notice it says JBL headphones connected. And now if I'm listening to music or watching something, the sound or the audio I'll get through my Bluetooth headphones. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.